This is another video just to follow up. These cars have been on for like about an hour because I like to just run them because I haven't turned them on in a while. But look how nice they sound. This is a 64. This one is 60 years old. 60. And some of you don't even know how to maintain a car that's even new. This one's been 60 years old. This one's older than your dad, most likely. Check it out. Look, just listen to this. Look. Oh, that's my big old head on the shadow. Wow. Beautiful. Check this one out. 1982. Look at this one. Look, it's been on for an hour. Look at this. Woo! Beautiful cars. Good quality. They don't make it like this anymore. They don't make anything like this anymore. Look at this. That's right. 1964 Rambler Ambassador 990. 1982 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Laredo edition 4x4. Enjoy. Thumbnail.